Hey guys, today I'm going to work on this picture with the intention of turning this into the YouTube thumbnail for travel video. What I'm going to start with is start with cropping that picture because I want to have it in the dimensions of YouTube thumbnail. And what I wanted to do is to align bottom of the picture with that bench, and the topmost 1/3 with the hat, and keeping the person inside of 1/3 box. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. And next thing is I'm going to check with black and white, and as you see, there is quite a good contrast between background and the person, which is very good because I want to keep it that way. And also in the background there are these rocks that are darker, so it's almost exactly exposed as I wish I would. So I will just probably go a little up with the exposure to be on the edge of being overexposed with this picture. Later on I will go down a little with the exposure of the person, but now I'm focusing just on the background. With our blacks, yep, we can do something with the blacks. I will keep whites the same, shadows, yeah, maybe slightly. And I'm going to check what will happen if I move clarity each way. So here, and probably what I'm going to do is to lower the clarity in that case, because I want to have this ocean haze in the background. So let's back to the color. As you see, there's a very nice haze right now. This too contrasty, and especially when we are having this blurred background, I want to emphasize that with the lower clarity. Okay. The only thing that I don't like with this, and there might be some problem, is that the dress is blue as the background. So I'm going to probably make sure that it's popping out a lot with the brightness itself, and also I will try to make sure that this hat is popping out from the background as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the person from that picture. Oh, it's taking so long. Okay, and for that I'm just going to select entire person. Create mask. Okay, that's good. And let's start with playing with clarity, making sure that it's popping up in the contrast with this lower clarity blurred background. Some details. And next thing I want to do is to just focus on this hat. So I'm selecting hat as an object mask. Okay, here we go, and let's make it. That's not working that way. Okay, so let's try to just maybe go down with that, a little down with exposure. As you see, where we are going down with exposure, the overall saturation is not changing, but the color is getting darker, so that was our intention. Okay, and to make the color pop up a little more, I will try to do something with the haze. Okay, that's it. Let's compare before and after. What do we have? Yeah, it's still, you see that there are no a big difference there. We are just tweaking some small things. We want to keep it like very natural, because this is the shot that is going to the video is going to start with. So I don't want to create a big discrepancy between the thumbnail and the first shot. So maybe let's check with this color temperature. No, it's not going that way. So let's keep it that way. Okay, so now let's go here and try to make it a little more saturated, make it, the color pop a little more. Yeah, that's good. And try to play now with whites. I probably need to go back to this hand because it's getting oversaturated right now, but let's focus on making the background as bright as we can with keeping the details. And we also can do this with just inverting this mask of the person. Okay, slightly going up with exposure. Oh, too much. That's not going to work. Okay, let's keep it that way. Let's keep it that rocks. Also, okay. So I think that will be it. I'm going back to this hat and lower the saturation a little, like this. Okay, let's check before and after. Okay, that's, I think I will keep it that way. What we might possibly do is to try to play a little with the hue of this. You can make it a little more violet or navy, or you can do like this. Maybe for the sake of this thumbnail, I want to make it a little like that, and also make it a little pop a little more this color. Okay, that's it. I'm not going to add any vignette here, just because this is a photo taken with the telelens, but maybe just a small amount. Usually I will not add vignette for the telephoto because it's not very common to see vignette on the telephoto lens, but here just for purpose of the thumbnail and having the focus on the center of the image, I'm just adding a little more vignette. Okay, that's it. That was what I was looking for. Now I'll just maybe play with some additional elements in the other software, adding some text or playing with some things, and I think that's it.